Sean, this is Brandon here with Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your recent inquiry on the 2019 Hyundai Veloster. As you see, I've got one right here behind me on the showroom floor. So let's take a look at it. The Veloster has been completely redesigned for 2019 with all new wraparound LED headlights and daytime running lights, alloy wheels, and blind spot protection on your side view mirrors. Now let's take a look inside. On the inside of the Veloster, you got a lot of standard and optional features, such as Bluetooth, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a whole lot more. But that's not the best part. One of the best parts about your vehicle is going to be the warranty. You get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. And here at Tameron, we exclusively double that for you to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. So give me a call, 205-613-9458. You love the way you're treated here at Tameron.